Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest, concise, and in-depth reviews on gadgets that help you work smarter, not harder. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best Energizer LED pocket pen light you can buy. The Energizer X400 Rechargeable Pen Light. Let's start with what makes this mini flashlight such a powerhouse in disguise. This pen light doesn't just look compact, it is compact. It easily slips into your pocket or clips onto your shirt without any bulk. But don't be fooled by its size. This small tool delivers a bright 400 lumens of LED power. That's strong enough to cut through the darkness in garages, under car hoods, inside crawl spaces, or during power outages. You get two brightness modes on this device. On high mode, the flashlight beams out at 400 lumens with a reach of up to 40 meters and lasts around 1 hour. If you need longer usage, switch to low mode where you still get a respectable 125 lumens for a full 3 hours. It's that perfect balance of brightness and battery life, letting you tailor the output to your specific needs. Now let's talk durability. The Energizer X400 is rated IPX4 water resistant, which means it can handle splashes or rain, no problem. It's also impact resistant up to 1 meter. So whether you drop it on the garage floor or get caught in a light rain while working outdoors, this pen light is built to survive real-world conditions. When it comes to recharging, the process couldn't be simpler. The flashlight charges through a USB port and Energizer includes a USB cable in the box. That means you can recharge it with a power bank, your laptop, or your phone charger. No more hunting for replacement batteries. Just plug it in and you're good to go. One of the best use cases for the X400 is in tight, detailed environments. Mechanics will love it for its directional, close-up illumination under car dashboards or inside engine bays. Electricians and plumbers? Same story. This is a handy, no-nonsense tool that provides focused lighting exactly where you need it. Even if you're just around the house, this is great for reading meters, checking dark corners, or dealing with small repairs. And because of its pen-like shape and clip, it's incredibly convenient to carry. This flashlight truly lives up to the pen light title: slim, lightweight, and ready to use without digging around your toolbox or backpack. Now, in terms of pricing, you're getting a lot for under $20. It's not just the quality or the features, but also the convenience of rechargeable power in a durable frame that's hard to beat at this price point. If you're looking for a gift for a handyman, technician, or even for your own home kit, the Energizer X400 makes a strong case. No gimmicks, no excess. Just a well-built, high-performing rechargeable pen light from a brand you already trust for batteries and lighting. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you decide, check out the Energizer X400 through the link below and light up your next project with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a hands-on review like this one. See you in the next video.